Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, you already know. All right, packed out in the gym once again. You already know what it is. Can't even get a set in, you know, so many people in here. Crazy. All right, so sponsor, Nikes, them Nike Freeze. All right, so I don't know really what we're gonna do today. Probably just a little chest, a little bit of arm work, and all right, let's say you'd be pumping. I'll give you some free pumps. Okay. Did not bring my BM Fit gloves today, but come back at you. We come back at you. All right, for this, since I don't really have an incline bench to work with, we're just gonna do the machine press. I like to do suey grips. Sweet grips means thumbs out, Cocker Spaniel style. And you get a couple pressers. Now you want to do is you explode when you press. Let her down easy. Watch. Explode! Let her down easy. You can do that 10 times. She gonna burn. It should burn your tits off. If it ain't, you ain't doing it right. All right. We got less than an hour left before we gotta hit the old shit show. So, just a little preview. We're gonna be coming up with a season finale for 2017. Be ready for it. 2018, we gonna start that cutting. Summer shredding, Christian Goozy. He's too choosy. Just kidding. What's up, CG? All right. Anyways, we gonna get my little pump on. I'm gonna head on out of here. Stay tuned for the season finale. Woo! And holla back at your bow.